Scared you, didn't I? It's okay. This thing's gonna scare you how cool it is. So this guy's a Smith & Wesson FPC 9mm rifle. Okay, gonna shoot 4 supersonic rounds through it. Then we're gonna shoot 4 subsonic rounds through it with the suppressor on it. So, okay, here we go. 4 shots. What'd you expect? It's gonna be noisy. Okay, subsonics. Now, one of the cool things is the suppressor, this Form 1 suppressor, is actually for a 45 ACP, and it's still insanely quiet on this 9mm. You can hear how loud this twangy action is. It's just so noisy. So anyways, here we go. Couple shots, subsonic. Twing! Pretty sweet.